Today, I want to talk about two key elements that shape your day trading success: win percentage and risk-reward ratio. These are the twin pillars of consistent trading. So, if you're only looking at your profit and loss to measure how well you're doing, you might be missing the bigger picture. Let's dive a bit deeper. Let me give you an example with two traders, John and Steve. John takes 10 trades. He wins 7 of them, making $350, but loses 3, which cost him $250. In the end, he's up $100. Now, Steve has a different approach. He only wins 3 trades, but makes the same $350. He loses the other 7, dropping $250. And guess what? He's also up $100. Same outcome, right? But their styles are totally different. John might need to focus on managing his losses better, while Steve could use a boost in accuracy. You can break down John and Steve's trading styles with 2 simple metrics: win percentage and risk-reward ratio. It's pretty simple. It's the percentage of your winning trades out of the total trades. John's win rate, 70%. Steve's, only 30%. This one compares how much you make on your winning trades versus how much you lose on the others. John's risk-reward ratio is low at 0.6, while Steve's is impressive at 3.2. Win percentage sounds great, right? But a high win rate alone doesn't guarantee profitability. John wins more often, but his bigger losses can wipe out those gains. On the other hand, a higher risk-reward ratio, like Steve's, shows he's making more on his wins compared to what he loses on his losses. That's where the real potential lies. At the end of the day, it's about balancing these 2 metrics, understanding your win percentage and making sure your risk-reward ratio works in your favor. Focus on improving where it counts, and that's when you'll start seeing real consistency in your trading.